Hi guys, Salibonani Makadini. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare my tilapia fish stew. To start with, you're going to make sure your fish is cleaned, descaled and gutted. To season the fish, you're going to need all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, curry powder and salt. Gently rub the spices into your fish and set it aside. Heat up some oil in a frying pan on a medium to high heat and start frying the fish. Fry the fish for 5 minutes, then go ahead and turn it to the other side and do the same. After 10 minutes, remove the fish from the pan and set it aside. Using the same frying pan, you're going to fry some onion, mixed bell peppers and scotch bonnet. Add chopped tomatoes and allow these to cook for 2 to 3 minutes before adding sugar, curry powder and some Maggi. Add some fish stock to complete the sauce and bring the fish back to the pan. Spoon the sauce over the fish, ensuring it is well coated, then go ahead and cover the pan with the lid and allow to simmer on a low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your fish should be done and ready to serve. For the full written recipe, please visit avaresekitchen.co.uk. If you do get to try out this recipe, please do not forget to post and tag me in your pictures and I'll be sure to check them out.